Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson, Media and Democracy, Part 2. In the previous class, we have learnt about what is media and the classification of media, then the personal and mass communications, and the four pillars of democracy. And today we are going to learn importance of the media. Media is a very powerful entity on the earth. It is a mirror which shows various social, political, and economic activities around us. People depend on the media for various needs, including entertainment and informations. Media keeps the people awakened, and it has become one of the major instruments of social change. Media not only brings out the day-to-day happenings in the world, but also exposes the strength and the weakness of the government. It also advertised the various products produced by the private companies, and it creates the awareness. All the TV channels broadcast national and international news. Social problems are portrayed in many cinemas. Media provide a balanced report on any matters. It fights against the socio-political evils and injustice in our society, while bringing empowerment to the masses and facilitating development. Next one, media and public opinion. The media plays a prominent role in the formation of public opinion. It is the powerful tool to contemporary times. It has become a part of the everyday life of the people. They play a significant role in shaping a person's understanding and the perceptions about the events occurred in our daily lives. The mass media play a significant role in providing honest, intelligent, and usually unbiased accounts of events. The newspaper reflects the response of the people to the government policies. Thus, print media and electronic media helps the people to express their opinion on important social issues. Next, we are going to learn ethic and responsibility. What is ethics? Ethics is a code of values which govern our lives. Now tell me, what is ethics? Ethics is a code of values which govern our lives. Yes, it is very essential for moral and healthy life. In the context of media, ethics may be described as a set of moral principles. The media is expected to follow a code of conduct which should be reflected in their reporting and writing. Sensational and distorted news should be avoided. The fundamental objectives of media are to serve the people with news, views, comments, and informations on matters of public interest in a fair, accurate, and unbiased and decent manner and language. And awaken role of media in democracy. Media is the backbone of democracy. In our democratic society, Mass media is the driving force of public opinion. Media strengthens the democratic value. It enlightens and empowers the people. It can educate the voters and ensures that government is transparent and accountable. Media not only reports but acts as a bridge between the state and public. Thus, the media acts as a watchdog of the democratic government. A democracy without media is like vehicle without wheel. The last one, local media. Usually the media reports the news which of national and global importance, whereas local media addresses public locality. And now we are at the end of this lesson. Conclusion. The media in the contemporary world of informations and technology plays a very significant role in educating masses. The media should always keep in mind that it should not publish anything which corrupts the public mind and disturbs social peace. For healthy society, sharing of views, free flow of information, free communications and expression. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next class.